Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the TV into a text entry state so the keyboard appears. Once done, make sure the remote is awake and aimed at the IR/Bluetooth sensor. Then open the app or settings where you must type, search box, Wi-Fi password, or app login, and press OK to place the cursor. This triggers the on-screen keyboard. Doing this first saves back and forth delays and confirms the TV is responsive before you move into input methods. Next, pick how you will type. Use the directional pad for accuracy, a touchpad remote for speed, voice dictation for phrases, or the mobile keyboard app for rapid entry. Once you select a method, adjust keyboard language and enable predictive text or autocorrect so the TV corrects common mistakes. Make sure the TV and phone are paired if using the app. Pairing usually appears in the same menu where you summon the keyboard. Switching early prevents rework later. Finally, review what you typed and use navigation to move the cursor back for edits, then press OK to submit. If the keyboard freezes or ignores input, reconnect the remote or phone app and reopen the text field. Once done, make sure to save settings like language and predictive features for next time. If problems persist, restart the TV or clear the keyboard app cache, and consider updating firmware. This often resolves stubborn input or pairing bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.